What's up, everyone? JT's Daddy 21 here to break one box of 2009 Playoff National Treasures football. On April 13, 2010, this box was purchased from Peninsula Sports Cards in Belmont, California. There's our box ID. Alright, card on the top is Chris Johnson. Let me start from the bottom. Alright, we have Leroy Selmon, numbered 49 of 99. Then we have Chris Johnson, numbered 72 of 99. Then we have a nice Glen Coffee patch, numbered 83 of 99. Then we have a nice Reebok logo rookie card of Ramses Barden, numbered 6 of 15. Then we have a rookie autograph patch of Josh Freeman, numbered 3 of 10. Next card is a dual jersey of Bert Jones and Fran Tarkenton, numbered 36 of 99. Next card is an autograph of Rick Casares, I believe. Numbered 2 of 10. And we have another dual jersey card of Sid Luckman and Bob Waterfield, numbered 57 of 80. Our last card, Chris Collinsworth manufactured patch autograph, numbered 9 of 54. Okay, there we have it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.